Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Warm greetings from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. In this presentation, we proudly share our community service project titled Empowering School Libraries to Literasi Digital Training, a community service in Kupang, East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. This initiative aims to strengthen school libraries through the digital literacy empowerment in underserved communities. This community service program was led by Dr. Insinyur Novi Caroko, Magister Engineering from Mechanical Engineering Department, supported by multidisciplinary team Dr. Imam Suprabowo, Novi Diana Fauzi, Ada Putri Winata, Linda Kusumastuti, and Dalila Nadia Pratama. The team members come from Islamic Communication Department, librarian, technical support staff, and student at Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. The program titled Empowering School Libraries to Literacy-Based Digital Training was carried out under a special national scheme dedicated to underdeveloped region, especially in East Nusa Tenggara. This article presentation is one of the key academic outputs resulting from the implementation of this community engagement initiative. School libraries in Kupang, East Nusa Tenggara face significant challenges ranging from limited access to information, poor digital infrastructure, and remote geographical location to a lack of qualified staff and minimal library collection. As a result, the implementation of National Library Standard remains very low. This program aimed to analyze how targeted training and mentoring could improve library services and management in these underserved school libraries. Our main target was school librarians in Kupang. The activities included a need assessment through focus group discussion, online training session, online workshop, and final evaluation. We introduced simple but effective tools such as Slims for library automation and Canva for digital content creation tailored to local context and capacity. This community service activity employed a participatory and collaborative approach aimed at improving literacy and school library management. The first step of the activity was the implementation of a focus group discussion. The FGD is a qualitative method used to gather in-depth information through structured group discussion. The second stage was the design and implementation of training programs, which were conducted two formats, online and offline. Online training was delivered via digital platform. Offline training was conducted directly at partner school using a hands-on approach. The third stage was the evaluation of the activities aimed at assessing the impact and effectiveness of the program. Evaluation was conducted using three main methods: observation, questionnaire, and interviews. The program was successfully implemented with strong participation from school librarians and library school manager in East Nusa Tenggara. The FGD session helped identify key challenges such as limited digital skills and unclear library roles. Online training introduced practical digital tools for library management. Offline workshop provided hands-on experience and mentoring. Despite infrastructure limitation, participants showed increased motivation and understanding of how libraries can support student literacy. Early evaluation indicated positive changes in library practices, laying a foundation for long-term literacy improvement in East Nusa Tenggara. Schools in East Nusa Tenggara face literacy challenges due to limited internet access, facility, human resources, and geographical location that are scattered. The community service program in Kupang was successfully implemented, enhancing school library management and information literacy through a participatory approach. FGDs identified key challenges such as a limited digital infrastructure and low student engagement, which informed the design of targeted training. The blended training model, online and offline, for practice proved effective in building both conceptual and practical skills. Collaboration between teachers and librarians led to innovative literacy initiatives and integration into core subjects. Despite infrastructure limitation, the program showed strong potential for replication with localized strategies and policy support. In conclusion, this community engagement program successfully enhanced the capacity of school librarians in Kupang through a combination of practical trainings and ongoing mentoring. Participants demonstrated improved skill in managing library collection, designing literacy-based programs, and using simple digital tools suited to their local content. This initiative underscored that the value of participatory and context-based approach in strengthening library services, especially in remote and under-resourced areas. Moreover, it offers a replicable model that can be adopted and implemented in other regions across Indonesia facing similar challenges. Following photos capture key moments from our activities in Kupang, including focus group discussion, training sessions, hands-on workshop, and mentoring with school librarians. These images reflect the spirit of collaboration, learning, and dedication shared by all participants throughout the program. This program was carried out with the full support of Institute for Community Service of Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. It reflects a valuable collaboration and synergy in advancing the role of UMY Library in community development and literacy program. We extend our sincere appreciation to all parties involved, including high school in NTT region, Universitas Muhammadiyah Kupang, and all local stakeholders who welcome and participate in this initiative. Together, we believe this effort lays the groundwork for sustainable literacy transformation in underserved area. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.